In the realm of C#, an interface is a contract, a blueprint of sorts. It lays down the groundwork, defining the methods, properties, and events which the class inheriting the interface must implement. An interface is like a skeletal plan, an outline that provides no implementation details. It merely stipulates what a class must do, not how it should do it. Dive into the world of C# and you'll come across a fascinating concept: interfaces. Picture a scenario where you're creating a game. In this game, there are different types of characters, each with a unique way of attacking. Instead of specifying how each character should attack in every individual class, you can use an interface. Imagine an interface called iAttack. This interface would have a single method outlined: perform attack. Every character class in the game would then implement this interface, providing their unique implementation of the perform attack method. Consider a knight class. It would implement the iAttack interface and provide a unique implementation for the perform attack method. The method might involve a sword swing animation and a damage calculation. On the other hand, a mage class would have a different implementation. The perform attack method in the mage class might involve a spellcasting animation and a different damage calculation. This way, the game code becomes more organized and easier to manage. Each class knows it needs to provide an attack method, but the specific details of how that attack happens are left up to the individual class. Now, let's say you want to add a new character, a rogue. All you need to do is ensure the rogue class implements the iAttack interface. The rogue class would then provide its unique perform attack method, perhaps involving a stealthy backstab and a critical hit calculation. This is a step-by-step example of how interfaces can be used in C# to provide structure and enforce certain behaviors, while still allowing for flexibility and individuality in the classes that implement them. To recap, an interface in C# is a contract that defines a set of methods, properties, and events. It outlines what a class should do, but does not specify how to do it. By implementing an interface, a class agrees to define all the elements outlined in the interface. This provides a way to ensure that a class adheres to a certain contract, while still allowing the class to decide the specifics of how it fulfills that contract. An interface helps in maintaining the structure of the code and makes it easier to manage and understand. It allows for the creation of interchangeable objects that can be used interchangeably in a program. This interchangeability makes the program more flexible and easier to extend in the future. So, in the world of C#, interfaces are a pivotal tool that helps developers create well-structured, organized, and manageable code. They are the blueprints that guide the construction of classes, ensuring each class adheres to the necessary standards while allowing the freedom to define the specifics.